I love my black people. Honestly, I really do. Right? I love my people. I love my people first and foremost. But we got to be the dumbest group ever. Only black women got the nerve to say that out of all the group of women out here in this world, right? We are the number one group that got the nerve to say, "Oh, we don't need no man." The fuck you mean you don't need no man, lady? The average woman makes $28,000. Y'all ladies are not in. Most of y'all women went to college for either sociology, nurse, human resources, criminal justice, psychology, all that bullshit. Listen, I could see if y'all had some STEM degrees, but you don't. Like I just said in the previous video, 75% of women, black women, earn less than $50,000. That is $38,000 before taxes. Oh, let's not even get into whether or not you have kids. Oh, hell no. So why do black women think that they don't need men to build communities? Now, if you was making black woman $50,000 and the man also was making $50,000, now you can do something. The numbers work. You can invest. Now this is how we change the black community. Do you understand now?